Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your resume alignment with Teal for LinkedIn Impact step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Teal account. Once logged in, navigate to the resume section in your dashboard. Upload the latest version of your resume. Teal will automatically analyze your resume for keywords and alignment. After the analysis is complete, review the keyword suggestions provided by Teal. Identify the key skills and experiences that are relevant to your target job. Next, open your LinkedIn profile in a separate tab. Compare the keywords and skills from Teal with your LinkedIn profile content. Make adjustments to your LinkedIn summary to incorporate these keywords. Ensure your work experience also reflects the key points highlighted by Teal. Focus on using industry-specific language in job titles. Next, review your LinkedIn skills section to ensure it is aligned with the keywords. Add any missing skills that are essential for your target roles. Once you've made the updates, save your changes on LinkedIn. Consider requesting endorsements for the newly added skills from connections. Check your LinkedIn profile visibility settings to ensure your updates are public. Finally, monitor your profile's engagement to see the impact of the changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.